truck day. Dun dun dun. Ta-da! Till next time, brother.
Oh yeah. So I guess by the next time I come back,
What's that?
I guess by the next time I come back, you'll be in the other place, huh?
If I'm alive, we'll be selling something somewhere.
Right, I hear you. I hear you.
Have a blessed one. Safe
All right,
travels.
take it easy.
Not too bad. Not too bad. 19 pieces. So, yeah, you know, I'm not mad at it. The worst I've ever done was, what was it? It was a 150-piece truck of just kings and queens. It was gnarly. And then the second worst, this bed I'm sitting on, let me show it to you. We got this thing in the king size, and this is the box right here. This one right here. Oh my God. It's like trying to lift Thor's hammer. You're just not worthy. I bought these Chucks when we opened for business. They were my good shoes. Nice little hole there. Going sockless, yeah. Oh, I've been open for 4 hours now. Not even the first customer. So the way we have it set up, we were doing by appointment only during the week, which I detest. You know, every stitch of my retail background tells me open doors always. You know, the only day I was willing to sacrifice just to have one day off a week was Tuesday, and even then that doesn't always work out. This past Tuesday, I had a furniture truck come in, so it was like crap. You know, they give you all of like a day's heads up notice, so you're like, no, you got to move your plans around. But slowly, my business partner and I was able to convince him that a really good format to attack this thing on would be the dump. I have a lot of experience in event style sales, like convention shows, things like that, and I know the weekend, you know, that famous line, this weekend only, you know, never again, works really well, and I successfully implemented it here several months back last year, and it's worked well. But I gotta tell you, man, Fridays are the pits. Like, I go into Friday expecting it to be slow, but when it's this slow, I try not to let it dampen my spirits, you know, because it's like, oh God, I can't go another week without food, man. But you know, it's easy to like let that dampen the whole weekend. Usually Saturday and Sunday come in clutch and save the day. And when I used to sell hot tubs on a travel circuit, one of the quotes they used to say, the sales team used to say to each other, especially on Fridays, is it takes 3 days to make a show. Meaning Friday is not related to Saturday, Saturday is not related to Sunday, and I love that expression. I feel like it kind of molded me and my outlook as a person, you know. Monday is not related to Tuesday. Tuesday's not related to Wednesday. You know, congratulations, you sold a bunch of stuff on Monday. Your quota's back to 0 on Tuesday. Because this isn't like sales, this is entrepreneurship. If you're not selling, you're not making an income at all. So, and I mean, I guess in that way it's like commission only sales, which I've done for over 10 years, but this is even worse. Because I mean, at least with commission only sales, you still got, you know, a store or a beat or a turf to go to, whether or not you sell. In entrepreneurship, that's not the case. But anyway, I'm going to get back to responding to messages. I advertise heavily on Facebook. That's been a huge medium for us, so I get bombarded with notifications from there, and I'm sure starting a YouTube channel is going to make it even better. But yeah, I'm going to get back to that, and then I might let you all in on another project I'm working on outside of the furniture store. It's pretty cool. This right here is my latest endeavor, Solar Made Simple. The idea is, the basic concept idea that I have is basically, this hasn't updated, let me refresh. The basic idea on this website is to be like the Expedia of solar power. You know, plug it in, pick your provider, it's a done deal, you know. There we go. But you know, it's trying to promote it, you know, has you know, kind of been put on the back burner a little bit. Just trying to get the furniture store going full tilt, and right now it's February 8th, 2019, and December and January at the furniture store have been just desolate. So, you know, I built this website pretty quick, featuring a certain website builder that I would happily promote if they want to sponsor me. But you know, it just got put on the back burner, just, you know, trying to survive December and January, which were pretty gnarly. It's been a hard winter, but man, it's 86 degrees outside in February, which is stupid. Even for Virginia, that's just stupid. And I think people are feeling pretty confident their tax returns are going to come in, despite the political climate right now. And you know, a couple sales in the furniture store, we can start putting some money into this thing and get it, you know, up and running full tilt. But yeah, this is my side whip. Well, I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you like the format and you want to keep up with the store and watch this thing grow along with us, yeah, man, subscribe, leave a comment. If you're an entrepreneur yourself, let me know what you do. Let's network this thing up. But otherwise, appreciate y'all tuning in. It was nice to have company on truck day for once. But yeah, I'll catch y'all next time.